Hey guys, what's up? So, got some issues with my linear rails. Just super noisy. And also at the same time I want to upgrade this, take out this stupid rubber belt with a, put a fiberglass belt in there. Just trying to dial this printer as much as I can, you know. Every little thing helps. It's stability, you know. You need, to get high quality print, you need stability. Everything needs to be perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that. So I got these things over on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. I'll come back with that. All right, so I got the whole thing. I didn't just get the linear bearings. I decided just to get the whole aluminum piece too. So not that much different in price, just to get these extra ones. Just so I didn't have to deal with trying to pull the linear bearings out. It's not very difficult, but also let me show you this real quick too. I also have. I don't know, I mean, I bought these and I wasn't sure if I was ever going to put them on or not. These Dryland bearings. And, I mean, these are definitely going to be a lot quieter, but I feel like eventually these are going to wear out and it's going to create slop. So, I guess I'm more of a fan of ball bearings. But I do actually have the option for the Drylands if I want to put them in there. Alright, so I had the belt disconnected, but I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that's pretty damn noisy. It doesn't. I feel like there's some bad bearings because I can feel. It feels like it's. I mean, I feel some rough spots. Like if you put your hand on there, and you can feel like the bearings, the surface of the bearings. And I feel like I have some flat spots on my bearings. All right, so I gotta take this bed off. It kind of sucks. It's a permanently mounted bed. So I gotta get there, take the bed off, and then go back. And I'd actually done a conversion from adjustable bed to fixed bed because I have the BL Touch, and I'm trying to make this thing as stable as possible. So, all right. So if you watch my other videos, then you see that I've done this solid bed upgrade here. All right, so I gotta take this off, Ellens, and then I should just be able to pop it off here. All right, this one's real bad right there. I can definitely feel. Look how much noise the thing makes. There's a couple of bearings that are super bad in there. That one's alright. That one's pretty bad. That one's pretty bad too. So I don't know how it got like that. You know what I mean? This is originally that $40 printer I got on Craigslist. So alright, I'm gonna take this out. So I just got to do 2 screws and slide the new ones on. Alright guys, so check this out. One of my sides is a lot quieter than the other. I think it has to do. I think there's some problems with this rail, possibly. I can see like little, not really pitting. I don't know if it's corrosion or what it is. I mean, I do live it down here at the beach, but so I'm gonna take this off and kind of like micro polish it. This rail right here. See if I can get it to spin a little bit better. Because yeah, look at this. Same batch. This side is just a lot quieter. You hear all that grinding? Yeah. Alright, cool. I'm going to take this off real quick. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some kind of see there's like some kind of I don't know what that is, like corrosion or rust or what it is. See that everywhere? Well, that's what's creating the noise. So I'm going to run some really fine steel old wool over that, try to get all that stuff out. Alright guys, I think this pitting is just too deep to recover this rail. So I'm going to buy some new linear rails here. Kind of sucks, but I mean look at that, all over the rail. So every time a ball bearing goes over one of those little nicks, it makes a noise. So that's why I thought I felt like there was flat spots in the bearings. So every time I hit one of those little corrosion spots where where the metal got eaten away, it would felt like a flat spot. All right.